The more toxic the relationship is, the more difficult it can be to actually move on, especially where there are minor children involved. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. Today's video, we are dealing with 5 tips for dealing with a toxic ex-spouse when children are involved. And the first tip is spell out all of the details. For example, who will pick up the children and by what time? If possible, go down to the minutes. That is going to eliminate all kinds of confusion. The expert is going to pick up the children at 3:15 on a Tuesday. Put it down via SMS or writing. Make sure there's no confusion. Don't say around 3 or in the afternoon. That's going to cause even more confusion and that's going to lead to conflict. Tip number 2. Try and limit personal interactions. There's a reason why they are your spouse. You don't want to be talking to them. So if they have to pick up the children, try and arrange for a neutral venue or even at the foot of your driveway. You can see the children jump into the car and they can move out as well. Tip number 3. If there are issues over expenses, for example, extracurricular activities, school excursions, try and negotiate these upfront. Don't leave them for the last minute. Try and negotiate them at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance before they are due. Tip number 4, try to be civil. Even though you're dealing with your toxic ex-spouse who has a temper tantrum and bullies you and abuses you, do not fall for the bait. Be civil and be calm. And tip number 5 is do not fight in front of the children. Don't take the bait. They might do it in front of the children. You can be the better person. Disputes should be held privately, and if they escalate, then in front of mediators. So there you go. We covered the 5 tips when dealing with a toxic ex-spouse, especially when children are involved. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.